It's time for the car wash. Love the car wash. I'm very easily amused.
And stop.
You get to be in my video. This is the pomegranate. Yes, it's a Pomeranian, but I decided it's a pomegranate just because. Hey, my light is on. Hey, that's cool. Hey, sorry, Mighty Max, I blind you with the light on my camera. I got my sunglasses on, you can see. Because that's usually where the rainbow is in that soap.
You might be looking.
I think we got ripped off. Where's the rainbow?
Isn't it with the wax?
I don't know. I always thought it was in the white foam.
I think it's it's the wax. This is teaching you patience.
I don't like patience.
I know.
I don't have the patience to learn
Patience.
Yeah.
I think this is Maximus's first car wash.
I'm glad he's being quiet. He was very loud during our walk at the airport.
Only for the first little while. Because he was like, hey man, what's going on? I don't know where my debit card is. But we'll find it after when we get out. Because I stuck it here and then I think it fell.
Oh, that's white soap too. There's no rainbow.
There's a rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Okay? Skittles. Remember, it's a lesson in patience.
But there's no rainbow.
It's the wax process. You wanted the Supreme wash, so that's what we're doing. Benny will be very happy with the Supreme wash. Here he comes.
No, that's the water. That's what washes the water away. Or the soap away.
Good Max.
There's no rainbow in our soap.
It's coming, it's coming. Good Max, he's like, what is this? Oh.
He was a little jumpy there when he was coming across
listening to us.
You're so brave. Mighty Max.
This is
the rainbow. There's my rainbow.
Here comes the rainbow.
That's the best part. I love the rainbow.
Do you know Starbucks has a Frappuccino like this?
Yeah. I don't like Starbucks. I don't like Starbucks coffee. It's all burnt. But I don't really like coffee. I get my Timmy's iced coffee, or ice cap, and I like iced coffee from 7-Eleven.
How was your fruit smoothie, by the way?
Oh yes, that was very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's my favorite part about the car wash is the rainbow. Then it sprays off like this, and then we drive forward, and there will be the
air. They never give you enough air.
I'm surprised that he didn't get spooked by that.
He's a trooper.
I still see that we need to get helium balloons and a cape, and then we'll just take him for a walk, and it'll look like he's floating. He'll be Mighty Max, and we'll make it so that his cape, we'll hang it with pipe cleaner so it looks like it's sticking up and waving in the wind, and then we'll just put...
That's when you pretend like you're actually a magician or something. Okay, watch. You do this so fast, you gotta like race to it. Ready? Oh, spot-free rinse. That's right, we got the Car Wash Supreme.
Well, Benny needed it.
He did. Benny really needed it. Watch it rain tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's usually how it works. Wash the car and then it rains. Or later today.
Yeah.
That's always a piss off.
Those big dog paws off the car from Bear. Yeah, Maxie's pretty good. He's like, what is this? I don't know, but it's kind of neat because it's water. Can I get it? Can I get it? Nah, I'll just sit on Auntie. I'm good. That's all good.
My Max.
What's that? You watching? Watching? Oh, where'd it go? Here it comes. Here it comes.
You're so brazy, my Max.
Look, they started before you even have a chance to go through. Okay, because we only have like a minute, so you have to be very selective as to how you do this.
I like how the water droplets look like they're dancing or trying to run away.
I know, but you want to be selective as to how, like, that you get the whole car dry, right? There's nothing worse than not getting the whole thing.
You actually have more time than you realize. Everybody goes through fast, but once you go through, like, there's 35 seconds.
I know, but I still got to do the back, right? So, like, see, then I can tell on the rear view, like, when it's, like, the water's blowing off the back window.
Okay.
And I try and gauge it that way, right?
Oh, yeah. And that's the car wash. Okay, bye.